Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make an elegant winter wreath bow. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take some gold Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to fold it in half so that I can tuck some of the bow wire underneath the Bowdabra so it stays out of my way while I'm making my bow. Just tuck that underneath. Then I'm going to take this really pretty sheer blue ribbon, and I'm folding it in half, and I'm just going to take the center and lay that into the Bowdabra. And then I have this gold sort of mesh ribbon, and these are both wired ribbons, and I'm going to lay that in because I love that you can see the blue underneath the gold. And again, I'm going to take my blue and I'm going to fold it in half, find the center, and just lay this into my Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my other piece of gold mesh and just lay this, fold it in half, center, and lay that into my Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is I have this beautiful, I just love these colors. I think they're so gorgeous. And this is the right side of the ribbon. So I'm just going to twist it here, and I'm going to fold it and twist. And again, I'm going to fold and twist and fold. And the reason that I twist it is because I want the wrong side of the ribbon to be on the inside of my loop. Now on this loop, I'm not going to twist it because I want the right side of the ribbon to be, which is the pretty side of the ribbon, to be on the outside of my loop. I'm just going to leave that like that. Then I'm going to take these two ribbons, put them together, and I'm just going to take, I want this to be on the inside of my loop, so I'm going to just put this in upside down, and I'm going to just then take this and just fold it back over, and keeping this ribbon on the inside. I just love how this this gold mesh is see-through, so the ribbon on the inside, I think it gives it a really elegant air. And let's just push this down in here. And please make sure that you follow us on Facebook and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And so again, I'm going to take what would be technically the right side of the ribbon, put that down in here, and then make another loop and bring it around, and again take the right side, put that down in there, and then now I have my next loops here, and just scrunch that all down. I'm going to actually take my wand and just give everything a good push. Then I have this beautiful Catherine's Collection pick, and we're just going to lay this down in here. And I think this piece came off of a pick, so I'm just going to lay it down in the center. And I think that really finishes off the bow. And now what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason I fold it in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I just pull it through the slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. That way when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with it at all. So it makes it really easy on your hands, especially if you have arthritis. And I'm just going to pull this around, or if you're making lots of bows, because anybody who makes lots of bows by hand knows it can get pretty hard on your hands. And the wire, we just knot it, and I'm going to double knot it here. And now what I'm going to do is just shape it. And this could be a beautiful winter wreath bow, or it could also, I think, make a gorgeous bow for a package for a wedding. It's just so elegant. I love these colors. And now you have this beautiful finished bow. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you in the next video.